Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study online school. First, let's set up your ideal learning environment. Find a quiet, dedicated space where you can focus without interruptions. Make sure your internet connection is stable for smooth online sessions. Organize your digital files and physical study materials so everything is easily accessible. A well-prepared space is your first step toward online success. Next, let's talk about effective study habits. Create a consistent daily schedule and commit to it, just like a traditional school day. Break down big assignments into smaller, more manageable chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Don't forget to actively engage in online discussions and collaborate with your peers. It truly enhances your learning experience. Staying motivated is key in online learning. Remember to take regular short breaks, perhaps every 45 to 60 minutes, to refresh your mind and prevent burnout. Reach out to your classmates and instructors. Building a support network can make a huge difference. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate your progress to keep your spirits high. Finally, make the most of available resources and tools. Get to know your learning management system inside and out. It's your central hub. Utilize digital calendars and reminder apps to keep track of all your deadlines and assignments. Explore various productivity tools, such as note-taking apps or focus timers, to optimize your study sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.